If you want to try the newest Firefox features before everyone else, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Firefox Nightly on Windows in just a few easy steps. Firefox Nightly is the test version of Firefox, so it's perfect if you like previewing new updates and experimenting with the latest browser changes. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. It really helps the channel, and it means you won't miss the next walkthrough. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, or any browser you already have installed on your computer. Once the browser opens, click the address bar and type Firefox Nightly. Then press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the search results page, where you can find the official Mozilla website. Now look for the Firefox website that mentions beta. Click that result to open the official Firefox page. It's important to choose the official site so you can download the correct and safe version of the browser. After the page loads, scroll down until you see the Nightly section. Firefox usually places different versions like Stable, Beta, and Nightly in separate areas, so keep scrolling until you find the Nightly download option. Once you see Nightly, click the download button. Your browser may ask you where you want to save the file. When that happens, choose the location you want, such as your Downloads folder or desktop, and then click Save. The installer file will begin downloading right away. After the download finishes, open the installer file you just saved. You can usually do this from the download bar in your browser or by opening the folder where you saved it. When you open the installer, the setup process will start automatically. At this point, Windows may show a permission prompt or a setup window, and that's completely normal. Just allow it to continue if prompted. From there, Firefox Nightly will begin installing on your PC. You don't need to do much here except wait for the installation to complete. Depending on your system, it may only take a few moments. Once the installation finishes, Firefox Nightly will open automatically. That means the browser is ready to use, and you can start testing the latest features right away. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Firefox Nightly on Windows. As you can see, it's a very quick process once you know where to go and what to click. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.